In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Twiggs Money Flow and Wilder's Moving Average in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. Any market and any time frame will work for this walkthrough. The layout of the platform should look familiar, with the main price chart in the center and the toolbars around it. We will be working mainly with the indicators menu that sits at the top of the chart. To get started, move your mouse to the top of the chart and click on the Indicators button. This is usually labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies, and it opens up the full library of built-in and community indicators that TradingView offers. Once the Indicators window pops up, you will see a search bar at the very top. This search bar is the fastest way to find exactly what you need without scrolling through long lists. Click inside that search field so it is active and ready for typing. Now type in Twiggs Money Flow or TMF. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list and show matching results. Look for the built-in version of Twiggs Money Flow in the results. When you see it, simply click on it once. The indicator will instantly be added to your chart, usually in a separate panel below your price chart. Next, while that indicator's window is still open, click back into the search bar and type Wilder's MA. Again, TradingView will narrow the list for you. Find Wilder's moving average in the results and click on it to add it to your chart. This one will typically appear overlaid directly on your price candles, just like a regular moving average. With both indicators added, let's adjust the settings so they match your trading style. On your chart, hover over Twiggs Money Flow in the indicator list on the left or directly in its panel. You will see a small gear icon which opens the settings. Click that gear to bring up the configuration window. Here, you can change the length, colors, line thickness, and any visual options that make the indicator easier to read. Take a moment to set values you are comfortable with, then click OK or Close to apply them. Do the same for Wilder's MA. Hover over the moving average line label, click the gear icon, and fine-tune the length and style. For example, you might choose a specific period that aligns with your strategy and select a color that stands out clearly against your chart background. Finally, if you have not already upgraded to TradingView Pro and you want more indicator slots, cleaner layouts, and extra features, use the link in my description to sign up. That way you can follow along with these setups smoothly and get the most out of your charts.